Is the American dream still achievable on a low income? Many believe it's a fantasy, but today I'll reveal how you can still afford the American dream, even with limited financial resources. Are you struggling to make ends meet? Wondering how to buy a home, raise a family, and enjoy life without breaking the bank? Stay with me because by the end of this video, I'll show you practical steps and strategies to turn your low income into a gateway to the American dream. The traditional American dream: a house with a white picket fence, 2 cars in the driveway, a family, and annual vacations, has become increasingly expensive. In many parts of the country, achieving this dream now can cost as much as $10 million. This includes not just the cost of the house, but also the cars, insurance, education, and other essentials. But don't lose hope just yet. Understanding these costs is the first step towards finding ways to manage and reduce them. To break it down, the average cost of a home in the United States is now more than 7.6 times the median combined household income. This is significantly higher than it was in the lead-up to the global financial crisis. New mortgage rates are at their highest point since 2000, making it even harder for the average person to afford a home. On top of housing, the cost of cars, basic college degrees, insurance, and medical care, they have all outpaced inflation. Additionally, let's consider the rising costs of raising children. According to data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the inflation-adjusted cost of raising a child has increased by more than 50% since 2000. This includes expenses such as childcare, education, healthcare, and extracurricular activities. For many families, these costs are prohibitive, forcing them to make tough choices about whether to have children or how many to have. However, it's essential to recognize that while these traditional makers of the American dream are costly, alternative paths to achieving financial stability and happiness exist. For example, many young Americans are opting out of the traditional American dream and finding more affordable and fulfilling lifestyles. By understanding these costs and exploring alternative options, you can find ways to achieve your own version of the American dream without breaking the bank. Knowledge is power, and by grasping the current financial realities, you can identify opportunities to save money, invest wisely, and ultimately work towards achieving your own version of the American dream. Given the high cost of living in many urban areas, one effective strategy is to consider alternative housing solutions. Tiny homes, co-living spaces, and house hacking are becoming popular ways to reduce housing expenses. House hacking, for example, involves buying a multi-family property, living in one unit, and renting out the others. This can significantly offset your mortgage costs, allowing you to build equity without spending a fortune. Tiny homes offer a minimalist and cost-effective alternative to traditional houses. These small, portable homes are much cheaper to build and maintain, and they can be placed on cheaper land or even mobile. This lifestyle choice not only reduces housing costs, but also encourages a simpler, less cluttered way of living. The average cost of a tiny home is around $30,000 to $60,000, a fraction of the cost of a traditional home. Moreover, the maintenance and utility costs for tiny homes are significantly lower, leading to further savings. Co-living spaces are another innovative solution. These communal living arrangements offer shared amenities and lower costs compared to traditional housing. They are especially popular in expensive cities where rent is high. By sharing living spaces, utilities, and other expenses, co-living can provide a more affordable and socially engaging housing option. According to the Co-Living Insights report, the co-living market is expected to grow by over 16% annually, reflecting its increasing popularity among young professionals and students. Additionally, relocating to more affordable areas can make a big difference. States like Mississippi, Arkansas, and Kentucky offer lower costs of living and more affordable housing options. For example, the median home price in Mississippi is around $140,000, significantly lower than the national average. With remote work becoming more prevalent, living in these states while working for a company based in a higher-cost city can provide a significant financial advantage. Remote work allows you to earn a higher income while benefiting from a lower cost of living, making it easier to save money and invest in your future. Moreover, exploring options like rural areas and smaller towns can also offer financial relief. These areas often have lower housing costs, property taxes, and general living expenses. The USDA's Rural Housing Service offers programs that provide affordable housing solutions in rural areas, including direct loans and grants to help low-income individuals and families purchase homes. Another innovative approach is cooperative housing, where residents collectively own and manage their living spaces. This model can reduce costs by eliminating the need for a landlord and allowing residents to share maintenance responsibilities and expenses. There is often a strong sense of community and shared purpose in cooperative housing communities. This can be especially appealing to people who want to live in a more connected and supportive environment. By considering these alternative housing solutions, you can significantly reduce your living expenses, making it more feasible to save money and invest in your future. These strategies not only provide financial benefits, but also offer unique lifestyle advantages that can enhance your overall quality of life. To achieve the American dream on a low income, it's important to maximize your earnings and minimize your expenses. Side hustles, freelance work, and gig economy jobs can supplement your primary income. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour offer numerous opportunities to earn money on your own schedule. Side hustles can range from freelance writing and graphic design to dog walking and delivering groceries. The key is to find something you enjoy and can do in your spare time to boost your income. These additional earnings can be used to pay off debt, save for a down payment on a home, or invest in your future. According to a survey by Bankrate, nearly 45% of Americans have a side hustle, and these side gigs earn them an average of $1,122 per month. On the expense side, budgeting and financial discipline are essential. Track your spending carefully, prioritize needs over wants, and look for areas where you can cut costs. Simple changes like cooking at home instead of dining out, using public transportation, and shopping for deals can add up to significant savings over time. The Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that the average American household spends over $3,000 annually by dining out. By cooking at home, you can significantly reduce this expense. Additionally, consider negotiating your bills. Many service providers, including internet, cable, and insurance companies, offer discounts to customers who ask. Review your subscriptions and cancel any that you no longer use. These small changes can make a big difference in your monthly budget. According to a survey by Consumer Reports, nearly 70% of people who negotiated their bills were successful in getting at least one bill reduced. Another effective strategy is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. This ensures that a portion of your income is saved before you have a chance to spend it. Even small, regular contributions can add up over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. Take advantage of cashback and rewards programs. Many credit cards offer cashback or reward points for everyday purchases. By using these cards responsibly and paying off the balance each month, you can earn money back on your spending. Consider adopting a frugal mindset and embracing a minimalist lifestyle. This doesn't mean depriving yourself, but rather focusing on what truly adds value to your life and cutting out unnecessary expenses. For example, instead of spending money on expensive hobbies or entertainment, explore free or low-cost activities like hiking, reading, or volunteering. Reducing transportation costs is another area where you can save money. Carpooling, biking, or using public transportation can significantly lower your monthly expenses. If you live in an area with reliable public transit, consider whether you really need a car. According to AAA, the average cost of owning and operating a vehicle in the United States is over $9,000 per year. Maximizing your income also means investing in your skills and education. Consider taking courses or earning certificates that can lead to higher-paying job opportunities. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer affordable or even free courses on a wide range of topics. According to a study by Georgetown University, workers with certifications or licenses earn on average 18% more than those without. By combining these strategies to maximize your income and minimize your expenses, you can create a more stable financial foundation and make significant progress towards achieving the American dream. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth, even on a low income. Start small, but start early. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, like 401ks, especially if your employer offers matching contributions. Individual retirement accounts, or IRAs, and Roth IRAs are also excellent options for tax-advantaged savings. Consider low-cost index funds and ETFs, which provide diversification and lower risk compared to individual stocks. The key is consistency. Regularly contribute to your investment accounts, no matter how small the amount. Over time, compound interest will help your savings grow significantly. Another important aspect of investing is to educate yourself. There are numerous free resources available online, including blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels that provide valuable insights and advice. Understanding the basics of investing, such as the importance of diversification, the power of compound interest, and the benefits of tax-advantage accounts, can help you make informed decisions and build a strong financial foundation. Real estate investing can also be a lucrative option, even for those on low income. Consider starting out with a small rental property or a multi-family home that you can live in while renting out other units. This can provide a steady stream of passive income and help you build equity over time. Living frugally doesn't mean living poorly. It means being intentional with your money and prioritizing long-term financial goals over short-term pleasures. Adopt a minimalist lifestyle, in which you only buy what you need and avoid unnecessary expenses. One of the best ways to embrace frugality is to create a budget and stick to it. Track your income and expenses, set financial goals, and regularly review your progress. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more money towards savings and investments. Financial education is equally important. Take the time to learn about personal finance, budgeting, and investing. There are numerous free resources available online, including blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels that provide valuable insights and advice. The more knowledgeable you are about managing your money, the better equipped you'll be to achieve your financial goals. Consider joining a financial education group or attending workshops and seminars on personal finance. These can provide valuable information and connect you with like-minded individuals who can offer support and encouragement. Many government programs and community resources are available to help low-income families achieve financial stability. Look into housing assistance programs, food subsidies, healthcare options, and educational grants. These programs can provide critical support, allowing you to allocate more of your income towards savings and investments. For example, the Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher Program helps low-income families, the elderly, and the disabled afford safe and sanitary housing. The Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program provides food processing assistance to low-income individuals and families. Medicaid offers free or low-cost health coverage to eligible low-income individuals and families. Additionally, community resources like food banks, financial counseling services, and job training programs can provide valuable assistance. Don't hesitate to take advantage of these resources. They are there to help you succeed. Many communities offer free or low-cost financial counseling services that can help you create a budget, manage debt, and plan for the future. Job training programs can provide the skills and certifications needed to secure higher-paying jobs. These programs are often free or low cost and can be a valuable resource for those looking to improve their financial situation. Achieving the American dream on a low income is challenging, but it's not impossible. By understanding the true costs, exploring alternative lifestyles, maximizing your income, investing wisely, embracing frugality, and leveraging available resources, you can create a pathway to financial stability and happiness. Now I have two interesting questions for you. What are some unconventional strategies you've found helpful in managing your finances? And how do you plan to achieve your version of the American dream? Share your thoughts in the comments below.